What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to a brand new video. Welcome back to the channel. As you can see behind me, we are fishing Basil Pond. It's over here in Georgia. I got my friend with me. His name Travion. Y'all know him from the funniest guy alive video. He actually bass fishes too, so I'm about to get my GoPro strapped up, obviously. And we're about to go out here and rip some lips. I'm about to leave my camera in the truck. That's why I'm doing the outro on shore. Got my boat with me right behind me. About to get on out here. We're about to tear him up for you guys. Just stay tuned. All right, guys, just a quick little disclaimer before this video starts. I ended up buying a housing unit for this video, and only for this video alone. It completely messed up my audio. So this video is not as long as my other fishing videos, and I'm just doing that because I know you guys don't want to hear muffled audio. I know you guys don't want to do it. So that housing unit, that contract expired. I already shipped that thing back. None of my videos are like that no more. I took it apart. So this video is going to be relatively short, being because the audio is not the best. So I just put the best moments of the video, and I did ship it back. All my other videos will be crystal clear. I can get straight back into the video. Thank you guys. All right, guys, so right now I got me on a watermelon red flake. I know this is my favorite lure. This is where I catch most of my bass on. No, you just hear him. You know that. Yeah. Well, I got hit. Yes, got him right up on the pad. That's what I'm talking about. Woo! Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Right up on the pad too. Ooh. Nice little two. I got a scale too, bro. Yeah. Make sure the GoPro's in. Nice going over. Hit it. Oh, there he is. He just hit it. Oh shit. Did he have it this whole time? Bro, he got it. He got it. Little one. Dude, I didn't even know he had it, bro. That was crazy. Didn't even know he had it, bro. He had it so far down. Alright, little buddy. Just a little pound and some change. I'm out here slaying them on the worm. Guys, just throw a worm. That's all I gotta say. Throw a worm. She going with You good, bro? You good? What the fuck? Alright, I'm coming. Hold up. Let's see your rod. Let's see your rod. Come on. Huh? Oh shit. Oh shit. I just stopped right there. Go be there, bro. Alright, hold up.